Hello, and welcome again to my crypto channel. In this video, I want to tell you about the StableFund app. This is a new staking platform where you can earn 1.5% per day on various crypto tokens. The layout looks very clean and professional and reminds me of Coinbase. The StableFund platform was originally created on the Polygon network and only paid out in Matic first, but you can now also stake BUSD on the Binance Smart Chain. When you deposit or stake your crypto on the platform, your money is sent to a pool which is used by artificial intelligence trading bots. These bots are created by professional traders and make profitable trades on different crypto exchanges 24 hours per day, using next-generation technical analysis and strategies. That's where the 1.5% daily interest comes from, so this is something that has never been created before. This is not like a miner where sharks with a ton of money can drain the contract, and rug other investors. If this thing lasts, then it will make many people millionaires. Of course, anything can happen. I don't have a crystal ball to predict the future. This is crypto, and nothing is guaranteed. But the team behind this website has a lot of experience in DeFi, and they are very supportive in their Telegram. They are also planning a huge marketing campaign and they are talking with a famous sports team, so when this goes through, then the sky's the limit. People all over the world will see that they can earn 1.5% per day, and this will explode. It's easy to get started. Visit the StableFund website, and sign up for an account. Put in your first and last name, your email and set a password. Click the register button, and you will be taken to a new page where you need to enter your phone number. You will receive a text message with a special code that you need to put in to complete the registration. Next you will be asked if you want to create a seed phrase, to secure your account and get access again to it if anything happens. I highly recommend creating a seed phrase. The seed phrase contains 6 words. Write these words down on a piece of paper, and don't keep it on your computer, because if your computer gets hacked, anyone can access your crypto and we don't want that. If you are familiar with setting up a MetaMask wallet, then you know how to do this. Put the 6 words in the right order when asked, and when this is done, you can log in and go straight to the dashboard. If you want the mobile version of this website, you can download the StableFund app for iPhone or Android and then log in and do everything from there. It's very easy and professional. I use it myself, and it's just as clean and easy to use as the desktop site. Click on the stake link to see where the magic happens. I have BUSD stakes only, so I need to select BUSD first to see my stakes, as I don't have any Matic in here. Like I already said, if you stake your tokens here, you will earn 1.5% per day for 28 days. When the stake ends, you can withdraw your rewards by clicking this button and restake the tokens for another 28 days. Or you can withdraw your initial capital and send it to your wallet. That's why I like this platform so much. I can take out all my money, anytime I want to. I currently have 2 stakes here, earning 1.5% per day. One stake has $970 and the other one has $96. I put in $1,100 initially, but there is a developer tax of 3%, so that's why there's a little less showing. But I don't care about the small tax fee, as I earn it back in only 2 days. You can add as many stakes as you want here, using different tokens, but I prefer BUSD as this is a stablecoin which is not dependable on price fluctuations like Matic or AVAX. To create a stake, just select the token of your choice, and enter the amount here. Click the deposit button, and the trading bots will start working for you, earning you 1.5% per day. You can use the calculator to see how many tokens you have staked and how much your stakes are earning. This is a handy tool to keep track of your investment. Now, before you can create a stake, you need to have some money in your wallet. Click on the wallet link to see all the tokens that you have available. Of course, if you just created a new account, there will be nothing here. I only have some BNB and BUSD in my wallet, as you can see in the asset column. Remember that if you want to stake BUSD, you need to have some BNB in your wallet to pay for the network transaction fees. To send BNB, AVAX, Matic or any other token to your wallet, click on the download icon beside the token and your wallet address will pop up. This is the public address where you need to send your tokens to. Click on this small icon to copy the wallet address. If you want to deposit Matic, AVAX, Ethereum, Phantom or BNB, you must use the other addresses. This is very important. If you don't use the right address, your tokens will be lost. This is how you send crypto to your StableFund wallet. I use MetaMask to deposit, but you can send tokens from Binance or Coinbase, anywhere you prefer. Just make sure to use the right address. My plan is to take out my rewards when the stakes end, and reinvest it in a new stake and then rinse and repeat until I have earned back my initial. From there on it will work as another passive income stream that keeps earning me money on autopilot. Now, before you start investing in StableFund, please remember to not use money that you can't afford to lose. This is crypto, and anything can happen. I'm not a financial advisor, and I only show you what I do for entertainment purposes only. I will drop the StableFund link in the description box below this video. It's a plain website link, and not a referral link. I like to keep an eye on the smart contract, just to be sure that nothing strange happens. You can view the contract by using this icon, and it will take you to the BSC scan website, where everything is exposed. If I see that the balance is dropping fast, or something irregular is going on, I will take out all my tokens from the StableFund platform, and send them back to my MetaMask. It's your duty to take responsibility for your actions, so don't blame others if you are participating in DeFi and something doesn't work out well and you lose money. You are the only one who is in charge of your actions. Thanks for watching to the end. Leave a comment below if you have anything to add, and don't forget to join my Crypto Miners Telegram group where I share all the latest DeFi platforms first with my members. I love to hear from you or help you out if you have any questions. If you like my content, please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.